Vegetable jumping on the bed. Tomato fell off and bumped her head. Carrot called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables jumping on the bed. Vegetable, carrot fell, bumped his head. Lady finger called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables jumping on the bed. Vegetable, lady finger fell off and bumped her head. Potato called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables jumping on the bed. Vegetable, potato fell off and bumped his head. Broccoli called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables jumping on the bed. Vegetable, broccoli fell off and bumped her head. Eggplant called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables jumping on the bed. Vegetable, eggplant fell off and bumped her head. Cucumber called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables jumping on the bed. Vegetable, cucumber bumped his head. Cauliflower called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables jumping on the bed. Vegetable, cauliflower fell off and bumped her head. Capsicum called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables jumping on the bed. Vegetable, capsicum fell off and bumped her head. Radish called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables jumping on the bed. Vegetable jumping on the bed. Radish fell off and bumped his head. Spinach called the doctor and the doctor said, vegetables right to the vegetable jumping on the